Hello boys and girls, it's Dan, Metal Dan here with a little video tutorial on how to properly distinguish between metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Alright, first we're going to talk about metals, because if you need to know what they are and distinguish between them, you need to know their typical characteristics. Alright, so for metals, ask me, is the metal on my John Deere tractor shiny? I'll tell you what, I rode it all the way to the library today so I could film this. Ask me. Is the steel all over it? Is it shiny? Very shiny. That thing's a beast. Covered in steel, alright. They are good conductors of electricity. If you're taking a little golf trip, you rich folks, if you just take a swing, you have your arm all high in the air and it's lightning, lightning hits the rod, you're a goner. Low chance of survival. They also corrode easily. I mean, look, my truck, it's covered in rust. Think where I came from? That's a chemical reaction, as y'all call it. Yeah. Also, they are ductile. What does ductile mean? It means you can take any metal, just twist it on right up into a wire. Very durable. I use it for my tractor all the time to pull things. They are malleable. What does that mean? Take a piece of metal, take a hammer, and go dang, 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 like a boxing match just started. That's what it sounds like. Well, it's just going to start to flatten out. The hammer's going to shape the metal into any way you want it to shape. Metals easily lose electrons. That's another typical trait that you can see in a metal. Another thing, they have a high density. Think you pick up a piece of metal, it's going to weigh more than like a log. I mean, they're dense. Metal Dan. Peace out. Hey y'all, it's Tybo here with another little part 2 on metalloids. Just a little follow-up, alright? So, metalloids, what about them? They are right here. They're blue, just like my jean jacket. My father gave it to me. Alright, they are solid, and they are shiny or dull, so you have to pay attention to these other characteristics to know if they are actually a non-metal or not. Okay. They are also ductile. We talked about that earlier. Put them in a little wire. That's what goes on. And they are also malleable. Talk about that hammer, ding, ding, ding boxing match. Mayweather going in on Pacquiao. You know, that kind of stuff. Alright. And they also conduct heat and electricity well. A side note on this. They conduct heat and electricity better than non-metals, yellows. But they don't do it any better than metals. Greens, alright? So that's just some typical characteristics about metalloids. And as always, peace out. Ask me questions. Tybo, peace out.
Howdy, my name's Dan. I'm a cowboy. Today, I'm going to tell you something about non-metals. And I know what you're thinking, Dan. Why the heck are you talking to us about chemistry? You're just a cowboy. You don't know nothing. Well, that's where you're wrong. Now, first things you need to know about non-metals is that is completely opposites from metals. Okay? Your metals, they're ductile. You can do all this fancy stuff to them. Non-metals, they don't have all these luxuries. Okay? Now, I know Tybo is going to tell you all about metals, but my job is to tell you about non-metals. Okay? Now, first thing you need to know is nonmetals are poor conductors about electrical currents, okay? Now, they can't conduct nothing because it ain't metals, okay? They're brittle solids, okay? They're not very ductile. If you try to bend them or anything, they're going to break, okay? And they're also poor thermal conductors, so if you try to keep heat in them, they ain't going to work either, okay? Now, another thing is they have high ionization energies, and what that means is their energies of ionizations is not low. Alright? Now, you need to know some examples of nonmetals. They're up here. They're completely separate. Now, from the metals, as the majority of the table, nonmetals have their own section in the top right and labeled nonmetals on this chart, and some examples of these would be carbon or phosphorus, so on. The list goes on and on and on. I can't ever keep up with it, just like I can never keep up with all my horses. It's tough on the farm. But yeah, I mean, I hope this little tutorial it helps you out. Yeah, just y'all have a good day.